Or should I have said things? So you've probably been looking at these two big tubs and wondering what's in them. Well, you can kind of see into the K'NEX tub, which is over there. And the lid is on the blue tub. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, we got all of the N-scale stuff, track, transformer, engines, and all for $110. On regular price, that stuff probably would have been about $250. But anyway, so let's take a look at what's inside these big bins. So, this is full to the brim, practically, of wooden track. IKEA, you know, it's all wooden track. So, first off, we've got these nice little bridge pieces. It's kind of like the arch stone bridges from Thomas Wooden Railway. Where's this one? So we've got two of these, and these are the IKEA. Most of this track is the IKEA brand. You can tell that because it's got these connectors. You know, I'm probably going to use these as like a canal background set or something like that. But still, it's nice to have. And then we've got the... Hold on, let me find the other. So we've got some more rising pieces. And this one's the odd one out because it's the only one that has the actual wooden part at the end, not the knob. And I don't need any more of these. And most of this track is probably going to go to my sister for her layouts. So here is tons upon tons upon tons of curves. And there's one curve that says Sean. I find this one amusing. Who knows, I may just use this. It would be hilarious. Okay, so I'm going to put that one there. But as you can see, curves upon curves upon curves. We've got learning curves, which is supposed to be in the other market, but we've just got so many. So I'm just going to shove all of this over. Okay, so more curves, even more curves. You get it, don't you? There's a lot of curves. Okay, is the last curve gone? No. Oh, I didn't see this before. There's another riser, so it's not lonely. That means I have one extra. I'm not going to give any spoilers as to what I'm going to use that for. Okay, so here we've got straight sections of track, which I absolutely need. I can never get enough of this stuff. So we've got 8-inch long IKEAs, 6-inch, more 6-inch. We've got rougishly 2-inch. And then we've also got this nice little bridge, which has GGB. I may just get rid of that. But still, it's a nice little bridge. You know, I can probably use it somehow. Now I am going to have to start charging my phone soon. So I'm going to have to stop this. And there's also a 4-inch long. So we've got a V-switch. I always need these as well. It's an IKEA one. But I always need these things. I care that it's, you know, colored on. It's a V-switch. And we've got the last item of that bucket. It's really, really weird. It's this thing. It's a double male and a single female end. Let me just pull up a learning curve version of it, if I can. So let me just put my phone on a stand. No, too high. There we go. Okay, so here are the other two versions of what I would call closest. So it's probably like one of these, except it doesn't have its part, and nor does it have the knobs. This is a clickety-clack one. It's one male, two female. And this is kind of like what it feels like. This feels very cheap, and this one feels kind of good, and like, but this one feels kind of rough, as do all that IKEA track. You know, I can probably use this in some old abandoned branch line set. Hint, hint. But yeah, it's a nice little switch. I mean, if I could, like, modify this, I'm probably going to use it. So, that's the last of that bucket. And let me put these... Nope, let me not put these in there. There's the bucket from the lift and load set. And here's all of my tracks. And there's, you know, some other wooden railway stuff. But okay, let's get on to the K'NEX bin, which I'm looking forward to. Okay, I'm charging my phone right now, so apologies if the camera gets knocked over. But anyway, so I actually have that K'NEX set, and to prove it, I will pull up mine. The exact same. Except I have my lid, and that one doesn't. But okay, let's get on to this thing. So let's dump it. So most of this stuff was in there originally. Let me just lower the camera. So this is basically what I found is all the good or useful stuff. So there's a Thomas Wooden Railway tree top, Soderline caboose. Basically what caught my attention was these two things just sitting on the top of the K'NEX bin, and this was what got my attention. So there's this cool little green brake van, Soderline caboose, which I need because my other one, which came with the mountain tunnel set, is really, really beat up. And we've got IKEA train stuff. And there's the engine. So yeah, I'm probably just going to be giving this all to my sister. And we've got, you know, like, I don't know what this is. Got a little child, sign. We've got some train station stairs that could go to a platform. A nice little building. A plane, which I will definitely be using. This is like Imaginarium or something. This stuff. You know, it's a train, a coach, and some cars. There's a lamppost. Another child. stop sign. The weird little helicopter thing. A liftable fuel tank, which I will be using. A road curve. Yes. I'm just gonna put that with my track pile. So what's in there? And then this stuff also came with it. There's some traction rail stuff. There's the top to an archstone bridge. So I'm also gonna put that in there. And I am very happy to get this. I didn't even know that was in there. It's another fuel tanker. My other one, which is in a bin, which I'm not going to go get, is in much worse condition. This one is in such good condition, aside from that little nick there. And then there's also this little flatbed, which I also really like. And it's very silvery in color. Another one of those buildings. We've got a Thomas Wooden Railway Workman, which I'm also happy to get. We've got these little, like, wooden, plasticky type structures. So there's a hospital. What looks like just a regular building. Because we all know how amazing those are. And there's a fire station. So yeah, I'm probably going to be using these. Tiny little figure again. Tree. Tree. Trees, shrubs. Darker trees. Another one of those walking signs. Hold on, I just gotta separate all the stuff that I'm using. Another electric post. A female conductor from what looks like Big Jigs or something. She's holding a clipboard behind her back. Yay, I'm so happy to have this because it's my only girl figure. Yay. More generic stuff. What looks like a TARDIS, hashtag Doctor Who. A weird little steel post crane type thing. I don't even know what this is. Buffers. Yay! That's going in my trap pile. And then just more generic type buildings. Now you can mix and match it. And then an airplane sign. Roof pieces for those weird blocky houses. And then to round it off, we've got do not enter sign. A broken thing. Another broken thing. Oh, these could be like street light lamps. A blue person. I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die. What looks to be like a monorail type train. Whatever that means, like straight or something. And then we've got a bus stop sign. So that was all of my train fare loot that I got. And I will leave you with a shot of this train going off in the distance. And it's going the wrong way. Okay, have a good day, everybody. Thanks for watching.